Hello guys, I am Ernesto Alcantara and I am a PE teacher over at Spaght Science and Communications. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to play catch with a tennis ball and your best friend, the wall. We're going to start from an easier level and then we'll work to a little bit more difficult. We'll start 2 hands, 2 bounces, and catch it. So 2 hands to catch it. 1, 2, catch with 2 hands. Now we're going to go ahead and go 2 hands, 1 bounce. Now we're going to go 1 hand, 2 bounces. 1, 2, catch with 1 hand. 1, 2. Now we're going to go 1 hand, 1 bounce. And you could alternate. And if you have more distance at home, go ahead and try that. Now we're going to go 2 hands, no bounce. So it looks like this. What do you think is next? Yes, 1 hand, no bounce. Let's make it more difficult now. That was underhand. Let's see if we could do overhand. Underhand, overhand. So here we go. And the last level is hit as hard as you can and catch it out of the air. So we're probably about, I don't know, 15 yards, 10 yards away at home. And just ready. Oh, and that is how you catch a tennis ball with your best friend, the wall. But that's not the only thing you can do with the ball. You get a soccer ball. This game is called squash. You can do it alone, but it's best if you do it with 2 people. So it's just like playing tennis. I'm going to hit the wall, comes back, person 2 is going to hit it. So I'll be here, I'll go by Mr. A, and this will be Mr. A2. Mr. A1, Mr. A2. Mr. A1 starts with the ball. Mr. A2. Mr. A1. Oh! And so Mr. A2 messed up. Mr. A1 gets the point. 1, 0. Ah. Yes. All right, here we go. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, all right. Well, Mr. A1 missed there. So now the score is 1-1. And that's how you play squash with the soccer ball. And don't forget to play catch with the tennis ball as well. Have a good day.